my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your A-pillar and your 2024 and up JBL Equipped Toyota Tacoma. Using a panel removal tool, gently pry open the bolt covers. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove both the upper and lower bolts. Slide your fingers behind the top edge of the A-pillar panel and pull firmly toward you to release the tabs. The stock tweeter will usually pop right out with it. From there, just press down on the harness tab with your thumbnail or your panel tool to disconnect it. Now repeat the exact same process on the driver's side. Pop the bolt cover, remove the 10mm bolt, and pull the A-pillar panel free. Be sure to check out my next video where I'll show you how to install our plug-and-play tweeters designed specifically for these JBL A-pillars. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.